There's me, Jeff and John out today. They're already fishing. I'm late because I had a birthday McDonald's. Get in. Anyway, let's get down on the bank and let's see if we can catch a fish today. Hopefully we can. Let's go. John's in. I'm here. I'm on net. It's a jackaroony.
Try to lift it, but
So netting it, we're off.
there we go. Just get me mat.
First kill to John. Self, the skilled pike angler. Got. Well done. Jesus Christ, for the action shot. Are we done?
We're done.
Here's John releasing it. He's supposed to be at work today, not fishing. He's knocking off. Well done. Would you believe he's in again? See if we can see that float there. Let's see if it's the same fish. Looks like I'm on netting duty again.
Oh, it's off.
Oh, it's off, it's off. Oh, flipping heck. What a tangle. Tangled web we lead. Jeff's in now. There's only me, I ain't caught a fish. Jeff will definitely get this in because it's on a treble.
Go.
There we go. See Jeffrey in action. Maybe not a surgeon. There we go. How easy was that? Let's look at that little fella. Look at his little face. Well done, Jeffrey. I'm going back to catch my birthday fish now. Oh, could be a way. Come off, can you believe it? Could have come back. blank. 2 drop runs for me, 1 fish for Jeff, 1 fish for John, none for me. Right, I'm getting out of here.